What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Don, back with another video. And today we got the birds all up in the crate. Got about 26. First time in the crate. I'm getting them ready for that road toss. I got them up in front of the house. They've been in here for about 10 minutes and they still haven't calmed down. They're still fighting. I'm about to get ready to let them loose. Let them get their loft flying for the day. Should have done it earlier, but I was out late last night. Woke up a little late. It's around 9 o'clock, 9, 10 o'clock. We got these bad boys up in here. They've been fighting this whole 10 minutes, non-stop. Pecking at each other's heads. Got a nice little team here. 26 birds. Still got 4 young ones in the loft. And about 8 getting ready to be weaned. And I will be picking up 4 more for my boy G this Saturday at G Loft. That'll probably put me at 40, about 40-some birds. And that's what I will start the season with. Hopefully I don't lose too many during this training. And they all make it through that process. If I lose 1 or 2, that's cool. It's part of the game. But I'm hoping I don't lose any. It'll be better for me going into the races with 40. That'll be awesome. But here it is. I'm about to set them loose, open up the box. Let me get up front here. See if I could just set them up. Don't mind my crate. These crates were gifted to me by Steve Doyle. Cool guy. All right, guys, this is it. Let's see what happens. Put that bad boy down. I just dropped it. They're looking around. Okay. Come on. Boom, there they go. Take off. Right into the skies. Oh, still got 1 more in here. He's just, come on, buddy. What's going on? Oh, I think that's one of the young ones that shouldn't have been out here. Oh, so he's going right back in. You can stay in there, buddy. I don't think he's ready. Look at the birds. They're up in the sky already, grouped up. I think they're ready for that toss. I've been letting them fly for an hour. Perfect formation. Right over the trees. They're doing their thing. I'm happy with it. Doing little flips and shit. Don't mind my swearing. Slips out sometime. It's looking real good. Come on! I want him to get higher up. Ooh, dodging that tree. Come on! Looks like they kind of want to land. Got my little PVC pipe here. Come on! Scare them up. I got to put a little flag on it. But that's it, guys. I'm about to turn this off, try to keep them up in the air. Let's go. Very nice. But that's it, guys. Stay tuned for the next one. I will be out on the road, taking them to a mile. The first toss. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you to all the guys that have been commenting. Shout out to my boy THC. Been showing a lot of love. Y'all go support his channel. Just picked up some Staff Van Reese from Mr. Frank McLaughlin. Looking real good. Hopefully he gets the loft up soon, bro. I'm waiting on that. Shout out to my boy G. If y'all don't know, go subscribe to that channel, G Loft. Oh, they're picking up. They're getting up higher. Don't hit the tree. Cruising. All right, guys. Y'all have a good day. Stay blessed.